Hey everyone, in this video I will compare Ollama versus LM Studio. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started with Ollama. Ollama and LM Studio are two well-known tools for running large language models locally, offering the benefits of offline access and data privacy. Both are designed for interacting with AI models without needing a cloud connection, but they serve different user needs when it comes to usability and functionality. Ollama is a command line based tool focused on simplicity and performance with just a few terminal commands. Users can download and run models, making it a solid choice for developers or tech-savvy users who enjoy scripting and automation. It supports a variety of open source models and is optimized for lightweight operation. On the other hand, LM Studio features a graphical user interface, making it more approachable for users who prefer a visual step. It simplifies model management, customization, and interaction. No command line experience required, so it is ideal for those looking for a more user-friendly workflow. Both platforms maintain strong privacy standards by processing data locally. Ollama is better suited for users who want more control and flexibility over their AI environment, while LM Studios appeals to those who value ease of use and intuitive interface. Ultimately, the best choice depends on whether you prefer terminal-based efficiency or a graphical interface for managing your AI tools. If this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this.